friends, it's Courtney Brickner, the CB behind the Crafty Brick. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and if you've been here for a while, welcome back. In today's video, I want to share how I'm going to put my Lancelot M1630Pro DTF printer into holiday mode. I'm getting ready to go on a trip and I'm going to be gone for 4 days, and I don't want my ink to clog while I'm gone. So this printer has a really cool feature called holiday mode that you can activate while you're gone, and it will perform maintenance during that time. So we're going to turn on holiday mode and take the steps necessary to put it in holiday mode. And fingers crossed, when I get back from my trip, the ink is all going to be in good working condition. So let me show you how to do that. First thing we're going to do is check all of the ink bottles and make sure that we have enough in each one. You definitely want to have more than half, maybe about 2/3 full. Then we need to empty the waste ink container so that when it's doing the maintenance while we're gone, it's not going to overflow. So we need to make sure that it's empty so it has a good starting point. First, we're going to turn the knob for the white ink circulation switch to 55, and then we're going to push the button for the stirring switch. Then we need to turn on our printer, and we're going to come around to the front. We need to turn off that beeping sound. It beeps because we don't have the heating tray installed because we've got the shaker dryer combo. We don't need it, but you just need to press OK to turn that sound off. Then we need to turn the suction switch all the way to 0. And then long press the OK button so that we can turn off the heating control. Then make sure that the printer is unplugged and not connected to the computer. Right now at the front of the printer, you're going to see it says offline mode because we're not connected to the computer anymore. So we're going to go ahead and click enter, which is the menu, and we're going to scroll down to number 2, holiday mode, and press enter. And then we're going to scroll down to holiday setting. Press enter again, and the switch is set to on. We're going to set the time. I wasn't quite sure how much time we could do, but I went up to 99 hours. That's actually 4 days, so that is actually the maximum amount of time that you can do. So maybe if you're gone for 1 or 2 days, then you just put in the number of hours that you need. But when you get to 99, it goes back to 0. So I'll just click the left arrow, hit enter for 99 hours, and it's saved, and then you click return, and then you're going to go back around to the back of your printer and turn it off, and then we're going to turn it back on so that it will actually go into holiday mode. And then we've got to press that OK button again to turn off the beeping, and then we're going to long press the OK one more time to turn the heating element off. And then the printer is going to go through its cleaning and startup mode. And once it's finished with all of that, then we're going to see that it actually says holiday mode. And it's got 98 hours set. So we are all ready to go on our trip. And we're just going to leave the printer on and running so that while we're gone, it's going to run maintenance. And when we get back, we should have no issue with clogged ink. All right, I'm back from my vacation, and I was really wondering how things were going to be with the printer. It's got 5 hours left in holiday mode. We're going to go ahead and get our computer and hook it back up to the printer, and we're going to click the M1630Pro driver. Let's double click that, and then it opens up our print menu that we can do for our settings. We're going to go up here to the top towards the middle, the status button with the triangle there, and we're going to click status, and then that's going to run a test on our machine so we can see how the ink is. So let's see what it does. OMG, it looks really good. There are not very many lines. There are just a few, but that is no big deal. It looks great. And now our printer is in the ready mode to go ahead and print whatever we want to do. I'm very, very excited that this holiday mode worked. I was a little skeptical, but it was great. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And if you want to save some money on this printer, check the link in the description because there's a discount code. I'll see you soon. Until next time, stay crafty, my friends.